The New Delhi bench of NCLAT dismissed an application filed by Antigra Limited, appellant, under Rule 11 of NCLAT Rules 2016, seeking recall of its order. It was observed that a belated plea alleging bias against a technical member, based on his prior position as a nominee director of a lender institution, constitutes an abuse of process, and it's not entertainable when raised after the dismissal of the statutory appeal before Honorable Supreme Court. NCLAT had dismissed the appellant's appeal on 26/11/2024, which was further challenged before Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court appeal was later dismissed on 25/4/2025 for non-compliance of a conditional order to cure defects. Counsel for the appellant argued that the technical member was biased as he had previously served as a nominee director of HUDCO, a lender to the corporate debtor holding an 18.86% stake in the creditor consortium from 2013 to 2014. It was alleged that HUDCO's involvement in the corporate debtor's management since 2005 created a reasonable apprehension of bias. The appellant relied on Pinoquet number 2, 1999, contending that a judge cannot adjudicate a matter in which he has a financial or proprietary interest. However, the NCLAT bench observed that the appellant filed the recall application on 18/5/2025, that is, after the Honorable Supreme Court dismissed its appeal, indicating that it was a tactical afterthought. The tribunal noted the appellant failed to explain why the bias issue was not raised earlier. The Pinoquet precedent was inapplicable as it involved direct personal interest, the judge's wife's role in a campaign against the litigant. It was held that the technical member's prior role as a government nominee director without remuneration did not establish bias under the real danger test. The NCLAT held that the appellant's conduct amounted to forum shopping and abuse of process. The application was dismissed with costs borne by the parties, upholding the finality of the order dated 26/11/2024. The said ratio was laid down in IA number 4038 and 4039 of 2025 in the case of Antigra Limited versus Maheshwar Hydel Power Corporation Limited.